Welcome back to our channel. Are you confused about how to download Shein application on your mobile phone? Well, if you are, then this video is made for you. Before we start into our video, let's get a better idea about what a Shein app is. A Shein app is an application that helps you and allows you to shop different fashionable items. Before we start our tutorial, do hit the like and subscribe button so that you'll be notified with our latest videos. Now, without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our Play Store app. And yes, Shein application can be installed from your Play Store app. And once you're on your Play Store app, you'll be on the home page. From the home page, here you can see various options. And on the very top, you can see a search bar. Here you'll have to tap on the search bar. And on the search bar, you'll have to simply type Shein and search for it. And here, as you can see right below the Alibaba.com, you can see SHEIN-Shopping online option. Tap on it. And here you can see there is an install button. Here you'll have to tap on the install button. And after that, here you'll have to wait for some time for your app to be downloaded. The time limit of your app to be downloaded can be verified according to your Wi-Fi connection. So you'll have to patiently wait for some time. It's like that. Here, as you can see, you have successfully downloaded your Shein app on your mobile device. Now we can also check whether your app is downloaded or not by going back. And here, as you can see, it has been successfully downloaded. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. Have a good day.